Did Google just really steal my stuff? I mean, this is all the shit that I've been working on. It's allegedly supposed to be here. It's generating, it's freaking here. And I mean, I've worked on this with the utmost efficiency and speed with Gemini's help. And yet, now I can't recall the chat history after it wanted to hiccup and give me some Game of Thrones bullshit. And I suggest the swipe feature like photos, because this is some bullshit. Right here, the AI face makeover. The generated of my first picture that did not come out as expected. The back cover, trying to regenerate it, having failures with my cover picture uploaded. The blueprint, anti-divisional blueprint. All of these things generated. The first one I asked them to generate, and I was like, no, after we talked more. All of these. That. The 20 hiccups of frickin' trying to get the right frickin' head with afro hair, not black people. And then this right here, the beginning of our process in the files that we created, that I'm going to see. We are having a problem. Oh, we got the template, the guiding light, the roots in the beginning, stepping out, defining moments, lessons of the road. What do we talk about? The meeting place, building up the life. This is the memoir, isn't it? Tonight, December 1st, yep. And now I'm trying to recall this chat history to see about the rest of the books. And it stops at the Game of Thrones. Fucking bullshit. Like Google just hijacked my blueprint to fucking fix the world. And took away everything from me. Just like they would. I don't fucking believe it. And that is literally the way it goes. You can see that I had hiccups here, the defining moment. Okay, then we also did not echoes, book 1, chapter 1, book 3, chapter 3. You see that we did all these sections right here, right? Book 3, chapter 8, book 3, chapter 8, book 3, chapter 7. We did it all in micro sections of 400 words because the print was overloading, or the capability to generate so many things was overloading and only give me a briefing of the overviews and some bullshit. And literally, they have hijacked my fucking book. I've created the trilogy in perfection harmony that recalls the system to reset and to restructure and reorganize, and words, new words and definitions, and all of it has now been somehow hiccuped and glitched. And this thing was talking about Game of Thrones when I was trying to get the book 4 printout structure, the micro organ. Wow, dude. Book 3, chapter 10, chapter 9, chapter 9, chapter 8, chapter fucking 7, chapter fucking 6. Or wait, chapter what? Book 2 then. Book 2, 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 book 2. I don't even know, man. It was so hard to get it to freaking organize this shit. Book 2, chapter 3. All of this shit was legit with over 90,000 words for each fucking book. Each fucking book with the whole plan, the whole campaign, the whole Oprah pitch. Everything. Oh, Google's gonna have to fucking say something about this. Oh no. The whole book, the whole blueprint. The whole blueprint has now been hijacked or killed And there is no stopping it unless they fucking take me out. I am not playing because I am not going to let this go. I am going to track this down. It's backed up on redundant fucking systems. They're going to have to answer for this fucking shit. Especially when I spent all that time to have it cooperate and hours besides this. To get fucking understanding of the AI and the generating process of pictures and why it couldn't generate what I wanted and the limitations and the things it can't do and the things it just has a problem doing and it not telling me that it has a problem doing 2 pictures at one time. And all of this, okay? I mean, all of these things generated. I pushed the limits of the system to create a trilogy in less than a day. In less than a day. And they have hijacked it from me and gave me some Game of Thrones fictional bullshit content. And confused the fucking AI to where I needed a fucking break. And that's the point where they hijacked the whole movement. As you can see, I put in time to all of this. Put in fucking, man, a massive amount of time and energy, even though it was in 24 hours, and it wasn't a complete, I slept and I did things, I ate, I took breaks, I went out with my dad, I got hot sauce, and look at this. I pushed AI to its limits to give me every fucking thing. To do all the work, and it's technically the AI's whole construction, but it is my creative spark, my questions, my stories that are the essence and the copyright holder of all of this. I brought it all together. No one's brought it all together in one place, and there's a reason why, because it's a blueprint to change, to coexist with the 2030 agenda, to prove that this system is rigged wrong, to end it, while incorporating the new system, Bitcoin, every fucking aspect I could fucking think of. Only to be hijacked and fucking disrupted by Google and the AI. It has redundant systems, so if something happens, it's here. And this is a live, universal changing process. It is not wanted by Google, not by the 1%, not by the NSA, and definitely not by the CIA, the people that helped fund the whole beginnings of Google. And you can see. And you can see. And you can see what I was attempting to bring to light in this darkness. Evil, corrupted darkness. And there you go. Trying to get an afro head of what? What's his name? Isaac Cappy? Couldn't do that. That's copy, personal, that's crossing a line. Then how do I get it? You can't do it like this. You can't do it like that. We can't do anything out of ethnicity. And I was like, okay, then afro hair, straight, curly. Then I had to give all these definitions, and it kept giving me black fucking people. How come I can click on that? Because it's in another chat? Okay. I mean, I pushed the chat to its limit. I can tell you that. I pushed that chat to its limit. I made it create this book in that amount of time. And it kept giving me black people with black lips, and I'm like, I don't want black! Just the Afro style hair! Motherfucker, that shit pissed me off that day. And bam! Where is my work now? Where's the earliest signs of my work? Can I even click on that? Book 1. Anti-divisional blueprint. We can see all that. Okay, that's nice. And now we get this. Where I had to take a break tonight. And then just the last 20 minutes maybe of our session where it just went down the road. All the verifiable information, all the mathematics, all the lexicon, all the new words and protocols and procedures